everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super popular Korean dish, spicy 갈비찜, aka braised beef short ribs. So let's get started. First, we're going to prep our sauce ingredients. Cut and peel your Korean pear and onion into small chunks. You can use apple instead of Korean pear, but I definitely recommend using the pear if possible. Next, we're going to blend up our sauce ingredients. I used an immersion blender, but feel free to use whatever you like. Add your chopped onion and pear, garlic, ginger, sugar, Gochugaru, and soy sauce. Now we're going to blend this until it's smooth. Set this aside and let's get started on our meat. Grab a big bowl and place your short ribs inside. We're going to submerge them in cold water for about 30 minutes, then drain and rinse. Now let's add these to a large pot and add about 4 cups of water until they're submerged. Toss in your green onion, radish, onion, black peppercorn, and garlic. Bring this to a boil over medium-high heat, skimming any foam off the surface. We're going to let this boil for about 10 minutes and then remove from heat. Take out your ribs and place them in a separate bowl. And then we're going to strain our broth. Wipe out the pot and add back in your short ribs. Pour in your blended sauce and mix with your hands to coat. Now pour in about 3 cups of your strained broth and turn on heat to medium-high. We're going to let this boil for about 30 minutes, and we're going to add extra broth if it gets too dry. After 30 minutes, add in your green onion, mushrooms, potatoes, and carrots, and mix to incorporate them with the sauce. We're going to let this boil for about 20 more minutes until the potatoes are tender. Finally, add in your rice cake and let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are soft. Now our 갈비찜 is done. You can feel free to dig in at this point, or you can add some cheese on top like I did. I used a blowtorch to melt my cheese. You can totally just throw it in the oven on broil for a couple minutes and it'll do the same trick. Serve your ribs with some rice and you're ready to eat. Enjoy!